You know, it's funny how we often think of a healthy diet as some kind of punishment, like a chore we have to endure. We picture bland salads and tasteless grains, as if eating well means sacrificing joy. But what if I told you that a healthy diet is actually a celebration? It's an opportunity to explore flavors, to discover new ingredients, to nourish not just our bodies but our souls. When I think about food, I think about the vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables, the rich aromas of spices, and the satisfying crunch of a perfectly roasted nut. Eating well doesn't have to be a chore, it can be an adventure. Let's start with the basics. A healthy diet is about balance. It's about understanding that our bodies need a variety of nutrients to function at their best. We're not just machines that run on fuel. We're complex beings that thrive on diversity. Think about it. Every time you sit down to eat, you have the power to choose. You can opt for a plate filled with a rainbow of vegetables, each one packed with vitamins and minerals that support your immune system, boost your energy, and keep your skin glowing. Or you can reach for that processed snack that promises convenience but delivers little in terms of nourishment. The choice is yours, and it's a powerful one. Now let's talk about whole foods. There's something magical about eating foods in their most natural state. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. These are the building blocks of a healthy diet. They're not just good for you, they're delicious. Imagine biting into a juicy apple, the sweetness bursting in your mouth, or savoring the earthy flavors of a bowl of quinoa cooked with herbs. These foods are not just sustenance, they're experiences. They connect us to the earth, to the seasons, and to the communities that grow them. Eating whole foods is like participating in a dance with nature, a reminder of where our food comes from and the care that goes into cultivating it. And let's not forget about the importance of hydration. Water is often overlooked, but it's the unsung hero of our diets. It's easy to forget to drink enough throughout the day, but staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health. It aids digestion, keeps our skin clear, and helps us think more clearly. So, why not make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you? Infuse it with slices of citrus or fresh herbs for a refreshing twist. Hydration can be a delightful part of your daily routine, a simple yet effective way to enhance your well-being. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about treats? What about the foods I love? And here's the thing, there's room for everything in a healthy diet. It's not about deprivation, it's about moderation. Enjoying a slice of cake or a scoop of ice cream doesn't mean you failed. It means you're human. It's about finding that balance where you can indulge without guilt while still prioritizing nourishing foods. Life is too short to deny yourself the pleasures of food. Instead, embrace them. Savor every bite and let those moments be a part of your journey toward health. Ultimately, a healthy diet is about creating a lifestyle that feels good. It's about listening to your body and understanding what it needs. It's about cooking at home, experimenting with new recipes, and sharing meals with loved ones. It's about being mindful of what you put on your plate and how it makes you feel. So let's shift our perspective. Let's stop viewing healthy eating as a burden and start seeing it as an opportunity to thrive. Because when we nourish our bodies with intention and joy, we're not just eating, we're living fully. And that, my friends, is the essence of good health.